For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of low-quality drones that can't even fly straight? But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the REDRIE HK33 drone. It's actually a game changer. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive into the specs and see why this drone stands out from the crowd. The REDRIE HK33 drone comes equipped with a 3-inch touchscreen display that lets you control your flights with precision. Therefore, I was expecting to be blown away by its impressive features, but what really caught my attention was its 12-megapixel camera. But can it really deliver on its promise of stunning footage? Let's take a closer look. The REDRIE HK33 drone boasts an incredible flight time of up to 25 minutes and can reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour. Therefore, I was excited to put it through its paces and see how it handled in various conditions. But what about the battery life? Can you really get 25 minutes out of a single charge? One thing that really impressed me was the drone's stability. Even in windy conditions, it stayed steady as a rock. Therefore, I had to wonder, is this drone too good to be true? But after spending some quality time with the REDRIE HK33, I can confidently say that it's the real deal. The REDRIE HK33 drone comes with a host of advanced features, including GPS, obstacle avoidance, and even a built-in camera gimbal. Therefore, you'd think that this drone would be out of your budget, but surprisingly, it's actually very affordable. But is it really worth the price? Let's take a closer look at its pros and cons. Pros: 12-megapixel camera for stunning footage. Long battery life up to 25 minutes. Advanced features like GPS and obstacle avoidance. Affordable price point. Cons: some users have reported issues with the touchscreen display. Flight time can be affected by wind conditions. Therefore, if you're looking for a high-quality drone that won't break the bank, the REDRIE HK33 might just be the one for you. But what about the competition? Can it really stand up to other top-of-the-line drones on the market? In my opinion, the REDRIE HK33 drone is a hidden gem in the world of drones. Therefore, I'm excited to share more about its features and performance with you. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive into some real-world examples and see how this drone stacks up. One thing that really impressed me was the REDRIE HK33 drone's ability to capture stunning footage in a variety of conditions. Therefore, I had to wonder, is this drone worth the investment? But after spending some quality time with it, I can confidently say that it's worth every penny. In conclusion, if you're looking for a high-quality drone that won't break the bank, the REDRIE HK33 might just be the one for you. Therefore, don't wait, click the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing drone today.